Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, the 30th of January. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. Cold out there, many spots below zero, wind chill values down between about minus 15 and minus 10, depending on where you are. And it's going to stay pretty chilly here for the day today. High temperatures only in the mid teens. Cape and the Islands will get to the low 20s. The wind noticeable all day. If you want to go get a walk in today, best time to do it will be between about noon and 3 o'clock before temperatures start falling back again overnight tonight, back towards the zero or slightly below zero mark. I'll wait and see what Boston ends up at this morning compared with, say, Norwood and other spots. Yesterday, very interesting. We had temperatures in Norwood at minus 9, but Boston was at 12, so about a 20-degree difference between the burbs and the city with that heat island effect really in place. All right, Saturday night, we cloud up. Temperature near 7. Sunday, some snow, especially south of Boston. Now, as I record this right now, I'd say a coating to an inch in Boston is really all we're going to be able to muster. The storm hasn't really formed yet, so it could back in a little bit. I don't think it's going to be a big deal around here. That's the good news. The Cape and the Islands, we'll wait and see. Winter storm watches, whether they remain in effect or come down here. The more that the storm looks like it's going to go out to sea, the more that they may just drop those winter storm watches and just put out a winter weather advisory. And if it really looks like it's going to go further east, they'll get rid of that as well. So again, coating to an inch around Greater Boston. I think the snow line probably up to about 128 or so. Shouldn't be anything west of 495. And then down towards Plymouth, maybe an inch or two. Again, if the system moves a little bit further west, Boston would get into a little more snow. If it moves a little bit further east, we'll get nothing. But right now, I'd say I'm pretty confident that we're not going to see a major system out of this. We're not even going to see a light wheel system. It's sort of more of a nuisance system at this point for Sunday. So that's the good news. And then we start getting slightly less cold next week. We should start breaking freezing on Monday and Tuesday. A little bit of melting going on. It's going to feel like spring out there after all this cold weather. Plenty of sunshine and dry weather continues as well. I'll continue to update on social media throughout the weekend. Please, if you like these podcasts, share them with friends, and let them know that I'm doing this. And I hope you have a great weekend, everybody.